Hi, I want to sign up for cooking class.
Which class? We have 3 this month.
The Italian pasta class.
Great choice. Chef Maria teaches it.
When is it?
This Saturday, 2 to 5 p.m.
3 hours?
Yes, you learn to make pasta from scratch.
Homemade pasta? I love that.
How many people?
2, me and my husband.
$35 per person.
What does it include?
All ingredients, an apron, and a recipe book.
We eat what we cook?
Of course, that is the best part.
$70 for both. Here is my card.
You are registered. See you Saturday.
We cannot wait.
Hi, just a few things today.
Sure. Find everything okay?
I need fresh basil and garlic.
Produce section has fresh herbs.
Found them, and olive oil.
Extra virgin is the best for Italian cooking.
We are taking a pasta class today
How exciting! Where?
at the community center.
Chef Maria's class?
Yes, you know about it?
I took it last month. It is amazing.
Any tips?
Wear old clothes. Flour goes everywhere.
Ha, good to know.
The ricotta ravioli is the best part.
Ravioli too?
Yes, you learn 3 recipes.
I am getting more excited.
Your total is $12. Have fun.
Thank you.
Welcome, everyone. I am Chef Maria.
Hi, Chef. We are so excited.
Today, we make 3 pasta dishes.
From scratch?
Yes, fresh pasta dough first.
I have never made pasta dough.
It is just flour, eggs, and salt.
That is it?
3 simple ingredients, amazing results.
What dishes will we make?
Fettuccine, ravioli, and gnocchi.
That sounds incredible.
Put on your aprons first.
Red aprons, very professional.
Now wash your hands.
Ready, Chef.
Step 1. Make a flour mountain.
A flour mountain?
Yes, with a hole in the center.
Like a volcano.
Exactly. Crack eggs into the volcano.
This is already fun.
My dough is too sticky.
Mine too. Add more flour.
How much?
A little at a time.
Better. Now I knead it?
Yes, for about 8 minutes.
That is a workout.
My arms are already tired.
Chef Maria says fold, push, turn.
Fold, push, turn. Fold, push, turn.
The dough is getting smoother.
Mine looks like a ball now.
How do we know when it is ready?
Press it. If it bounces back.
Mine bounces. Is it done?
I think so. Great job.
Now we let it rest for 30 minutes.
Rest? The dough rests?
Yes, like a nap for dough.
I need a nap too after all that kneading.
Same. Time to roll the dough.
With a rolling pin?
We have a pasta machine.
This hand crank one?
Yes, feed the dough through slowly.
Like this?
Thinner setting each time.
It is getting so thin.
Perfect. Now switch to the cutter.
This attachment?
Yes, crank slowly.
Fettuccine, real fettuccine.
Beautiful. Hang them to dry.
On this wooden rack?
Yes, just for a few minutes.
They look like curtains.
Pasta curtains.
This is so satisfying.
Wow, let's make the ravioli.
With ricotta cheese inside?
Yes, and fresh spinach.
I am learning so much.
The water is boiling. Time to cook.
How long for fresh pasta?
Only 2 minutes. Very fast.
2 minutes? Not like dried pasta.
Fresh pasta cooks much faster.
What sauce are we making?
Garlic butter sauce. Very simple.
Butter, garlic, and olive oil?
Yes, and a little pasta water.
Why pasta water?
It makes the sauce creamy.
Chef's secret.
The ravioli is floating.
That means they are done?
Yes, scoop them out gently.
Now we taste, finally.
Oh, this is amazing.
So much better than store-bought.
The ravioli is my favorite.
Mine too. So creamy inside.
I will never buy dried pasta again.
Me neither.
Here is your recipe book.
Thank you. 3 recipes inside?
Yes, and bonus tips.
Today was incredible.
You are a natural in the kitchen.
My wife is better.
You both did wonderfully.
What class is next month?
Thai curry cooking class.
Thai curry? I love curry.
We make green curry and pad thai.
From scratch too?
Everything from scratch. That is our style.
How much?
Same price, $35 per person.
Sign us up.
Done. Second Saturday next month.
We will be here.
Keep practicing the pasta at home.
Every weekend.
That is the spirit.
Hi, do you sell pasta machines?
Yes, I have 2 models.
I just took a pasta class.
Chef Maria's class?
Yes, you know her?
She buys all her flour here.
Small world.
This Italian pasta machine is classic.
The hand crank one?
Yes, made in Italy, very durable.
How much?
$45.
I also need 00 flour.
The finest Italian flour, perfect for pasta.
And Parmesan cheese?
Real Parmigiano Reggiano.
How much per pound?
$18, worth every penny.
I will take half a pound.
Your pasta will taste like Italy.
That is the goal.
Buon appetito! Enjoy!
Ready for our first homemade pasta dinner?
I am starving.
I made the dough, you roll it.
Fold, push, turn, I remember.
Your kneading is so much better now.
Practice at the class helped.
Now feed it through the machine.
Thinner each time.
Cut into fettuccine.
They look just like the class.
The water is boiling, 2 minutes.
And the garlic butter sauce.
Already simmering. Smells amazing.
Fresh Parmesan on top.
Of course, Marco's Parmesan.
This is restaurant quality.
Made with love at home.
The best combination.
Next month, Thai curry.
We are becoming real chefs.
One recipe at a time.